Hi guys, it's Michael here from Dunn&Watson, and today we're here to discuss how to choose the best pair of drawer slides for your job. There is technically no right or wrong answer to this question. However, there are some advantages and disadvantages of locking and non-locking drawer slides which are worth considering. These pros and cons will often make your decision much easier. There are three things worth considering when making your decision on drawer slides: the extension you require, the weight you require, and the application. The first two speak for themselves, but the application often dictates whether you're looking at locking or non-locking drawer slides. The main feature of a locking drawer slide is the ability to lock it out, not to lock it in. For this reason, applications such as fridge slides, generator slides, barbecue slides are all popular applications for locking drawer slides because of the ability to lock it out. Non-locking drawer slides, for example, are exactly the same but without the lock. The reason you may want a non-locking drawer slide for an application might be because you have a fascia front on a drawer or don't have access to the front of the slide and wouldn't be able to unlock it from a locked position. Here we have two really good examples of drawers, one fitted with locking, one fitted with non-locking drawer slides. As you can see, on the first drawer, we have access to the tabs, which enable us to put a locking drawer slide on it. On the second, however, we have a fascia front with a lock, which means we have to use non-locking drawer slides for this application. At Dunn&Watson, we have Australia's largest range of drawer slides, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.